Ever wonder if cracking your knuckles is actually bad for you? Let's crack open the truth. There is a myth that any people think that cracking your knuckles can cause arthritis or damage your joints. But guess what? There's no evidence that it leads to arthritis. It's just a myth that's been passed down for years. So what's really happening? When you crack your knuckles, you're actually releasing gas bubbles from the fluid in your joints. That popping sound is just gas escaping. It's not your bones breaking or anything harmful. But are there risks? Cracking your knuckles isn't harmful for most people, but doing it too often can irritate the joints and weaken your grip strength over time. If you notice any pain or swelling, it's a sign to ease up. So the next time you crack your knuckles, don't worry, it won't cause arthritis. But like most things, moderation is key. Keep those joints happy and healthy.